The invisible magnet. Have you ever wondered why some men command a room without saying a single word? It's not about having the most money, the flashiest car, or even being the best-looking guy in the room. There is a specific, almost invisible gesture that most men completely overlook. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down the psychology of a gesture so powerful it can melt a woman's defenses in seconds. This isn't a pickup line or a cheap trick. It's a biological trigger rooted in thousands of years of human evolution. If you want to understand how to create instant emotional safety and attraction, stick around. The trap. Why trying fails. Most guys fall into the same trap. They think they have to earn attraction by performing. They tell jokes, brag about their jobs, or try to be the life of the party. But here's the cold, hard truth. A woman's nervous system decides if you're attractive long before her conscious mind does. Within milliseconds, she senses your energy. If you are trying too hard, you're signaling insecurity. High-value attraction happens when you stop trying to impress and start focusing on your internal state. We're moving away from performance and toward presence. Element number 1, the calm, intentional approach. The first layer of this gesture is your approach. It's not just about walking, it's about how you move through space. When you rush, you signal anxiety. When you move with calm intentionality, you show that you are in total control of your environment. You're giving her nervous system time to process you. It's like a subconscious green light that says, "This man is safe, he respects my space, and he's not impulsive." Think of it as moving with the weight of a king, not the frantic energy of a servant. Element number 2, the steady, gentle gaze. Now let's talk about eye contact. There's a massive difference between a predatory stare and a gentle gaze. A predatory stare is looking to take something. A gentle gaze is looking to share the moment. You want to look at her with a steady, unwavering focus that says, "I am here, I see you, and I'm not looking for your approval." This releases oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone, in both of you. It builds a bridge of trust without you having to utter a single syllable. Element number 3, the power of confident silence. This is where 90% of men fail. They get uncomfortable when the conversation hits a lull and they rush to fill it with filler talk. But confident silence is the ultimate magnetic force. When you can sit in silence and remain perfectly relaxed, it proves that you are secure within yourself. It creates a vacuum that pulls you toward you emotionally. Silence isn't empty, it's full of presence. It's the space where she begins to wonder about you, and that curiosity is the foundation of deep attraction. The biological why. The nervous system. Why does this work? It's simple biology. These 3 elements combined trigger her parasympathetic nervous system. This is the part of the brain that governs relaxation and connection. When she feels your calm approach, your steady gaze, and your comfort with silence, her fight or flight response shuts down. She feels safe enough to be vulnerable. And in the world of psychology, vulnerability is the gateway to attraction. Summary and final action. Visual, the host speaking directly to the camera, looking sincere. This gesture isn't a performance, it's an expression of a man who is secure in his own skin. It's about offering emotional safety without asking for anything in return. When you master this level of presence, it doesn't just change your dating life, it changes how the world perceives you. If this resonated with you, hit that like button. I want to hear from you in the comments. Which of these is hardest for you? The approach, the gaze, or the silence? Let's talk about it below. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the